April 14th, 1912, the North Atlantic. You're about to live her last night. You wake in third class, 4 days out from Southampton, 3 more to New York. White paint, clean linen, electric light. A better ship than any you have ever sailed, served to you at a table by a steward. Better than home. Sunday morning on the well deck, bright and cold for April. The largest ship afloat, and this is her first voyage. The piano belongs to the ship. The music belongs to the passengers. 10 languages, 1 destination. Everyone here is starting again. There was a church service that morning. The lifeboat drill scheduled for that day was never held. By evening, the temperature is falling fast. One by one, the deck's empty. Supper below, rabbit pie, baked potatoes, hot tea. Outside, the night is near freezing. A fiddle, a bagpipe, an accordion. Someone always dances. Tonight, everyone does. No moon. The sea is a black mirror. All day, ice warnings have been arriving. Not all of them reach the bridge. The engines have hummed for 4 days. You no longer hear them. You fall asleep in the bow of the ship. The sea outside is -2 degrees. Something scraping, long and slow. Not an explosion. Then the engines stop. The sound that never stopped, stops. In the corridor, 10 languages ask the same question. No one has an answer in any of them. Men are picking the pieces up, laughing. Everyone believed the ship could not sink. Then the funnels begin to roar, venting steam, loud enough to drown every voice on deck. Stewards hand down the cork lifebelts. It is nearly an hour before third class is told to move up. The way up is long, a corridor the length of the ship. Signs many cannot read, and no one to lead the way. Some doors are open for you, others you never reach. The floor is no longer level. The boat deck, white rockets burst overhead. Somewhere under the noise, the band is still playing. Women and children are handed in first. The mother from your corridor is lifted aboard, her daughter after her. There is room in the starboard boat. The lights flicker once and go out. At 2:20 she is gone, and the sea goes quiet. About 1,500 people are still out there. The boats had room for hundreds more. At 4 in the morning, a ship's lights rise on the horizon. Carpathia. About 700 people are alive to see her.
you.